Yes, it is possible to turn $200 into a house cleaning business that pays you $2,000 per week. Have you ever thought of starting your own business with minimal investment? Picture this: a thriving venture fueled by passion, determination, and a touch of entrepreneurial magic. Imagine the possibilities when a modest investment meets a booming industry. Enter Lillian, a business-savvy woman who transformed a mere $200 and some household cleaners into a successful residential house cleaning empire. Her secret? Tapping into the cleaning industry, a sector that rakes in a staggering $49 billion a year and shows no signs of slowing down. Powered by an aging population and the hustle and bustle of modern life, the demand for cleaning services is at an all-time high, and it's a wave you too can ride. Lillian's journey began with a mere $200, and her path to success was not as daunting as you might think. Lillian, an ordinary woman with an extraordinary vision, turned a small investment into a thriving business. Let's take a moment to explore Lillian's journey, a journey that transformed a modest beginning into a successful residential house cleaning business. Lillian, like many of us, began with limited resources. Armed with just $200 and some common household cleaners, she took a leap of faith, and the results were nothing short of remarkable. Now, imagine this. Lillian, a woman of humble beginnings, started to make over $2,000 per week. Yes, you heard it right, per week. This isn't a tale of overnight success, but rather a story of sheer determination, hard work, and smart strategy. What began as a small operation quickly became a source of stable and predictable income. But here's the kicker: Lillian's story isn't just about financial success. It's about how an ordinary person, just like you, can start a business regardless of their age, educational background, or experience. Lillian's business didn't just flourish, it also allowed her the time for family and to pursue her personal passions. This is the magic of entrepreneurship. It offers more than just financial rewards. It provides a sense of freedom, fulfillment, and a chance to create something that you can be proud of. So, what's the secret to Lillian's success? It's her unwavering belief that anyone can turn a simple idea into a successful venture. It's about identifying a need, in this case, the high demand for cleaning services, and providing a solution. It's about taking that first step, no matter how small, and having the courage to follow through. Lillian's success is a testament to the fact that with the right approach, anyone can turn a simple idea into a successful venture. Let Lillian's journey inspire you to take that first step towards your own success story. Let me ask you a question. Is there any reason you couldn't start a successful house cleaning business if Lillian shared her inside success secrets with you? Are you inspired by Lillian's story and want to start your own house cleaning business? Well, my friend, you've come to the right place. Lillian, the mastermind behind her own successful house cleaning venture, has designed a course just for people like you. It's called House Cleaning University, and it's the stepping stone to your entrepreneurial journey. Now you might be wondering, what does this course entail? Let's dive into it. House Cleaning University is a comprehensive training course that provides you with all the resources you need to start your own successful house cleaning business. From training videos that guide you through the ins and outs of the cleaning industry, to trade secrets that give you an edge over your competition, to business forms that help streamline your operations, this course has got you covered. But that's not all. This course doesn't just give you the tools to start your business, it also provides you with the knowledge to sustain and grow it. You see, the demand for cleaning services is at an all-time high. With people leading busier lives than ever and an aging population that needs assistance, the need for quality cleaning services is only going to increase. This course helps you tap into this market demand and turn it into a profitable business opportunity. The beauty of this business is that it doesn't require a colossal investment. You can start small, like Lillian did with just $200 and some household cleaners, and gradually build your way up. It's a business that provides a stable and predictable income, and it allows you the flexibility to balance work with your personal life. So, why wait? The path to success is paved and waiting for you. All you need to do is take that first step. Check out the House Cleaning University course, arm yourself with knowledge, and embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't hesitate, seize the opportunity now. Check out the House Cleaning University course and embark on your path to success. The direct link to learn more is in the description of this video.